Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric food choppers, carefully selected to make meal prep faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're chopping veggies, nuts, or herbs, these choppers are designed to save you time and effort in the kitchen. Be sure to check the description for up-to-date prices, details, and product links. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future reviews. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Homeeasy Steel Meat Food Chopper. The Homeeasy electric food chopper makes meal prep fast, efficient, and mess-free. With 350 watts of real power, it chops and grinds ingredients like onions, garlic, meat, and ham in seconds. The 4 stainless steel blades use a 4D design to slice from every angle, delivering even results with minimal effort. Its 2-liter stainless steel bowl is not only spacious but also shock-resistant, healthier, and more durable than glass. The blade connection is reinforced with stainless steel, so it won't snap like plastic joints. Cleanup is simple. The unit disassembles easily, and all accessories are dishwasher safe. The included non-slip mat keeps the bowl stable during use, adding extra safety and convenience. With 2 speed modes, it adapts to different textures and recipes. Whether prepping veggies for a stir-fry or grinding meat for patties, this compact chopper delivers reliable performance and saves time in the kitchen. Number 4. Geniza Electric Food Chopper. The Geniza food processor has completely streamlined my kitchen workflow. With a 450-watt full copper motor, it powers through meat, veggies, nuts, and even frozen fruit in seconds. I use the 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass, 1 304 stainless steel, to keep ingredients separate and hygienic. The dual-speed control lets me switch between coarse and fine textures, depending on the recipe. What really stands out is the safety lock and auto-stop design. The blades stop instantly when the motor is removed, making it family-safe. It also includes an overheating protection system, so I never worry about overuse during long prep sessions. The spring-loaded blades are sharp and efficient, and cleanup is easy with removable parts. Whether I'm chopping onions, mixing guacamole, or grinding meat for burgers, this compact processor handles it all with a single push. It's a reliable, multifunctional tool that saves time and effort every day. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Food Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Food Chopper is a compact powerhouse that simplifies daily prep. Its patented stack and press design means no twist locking. Just press the lid to chop and release to stop. With a 350-watt motor, it powers through onions, nuts, herbs, and even baby food effortlessly. The durable stainless steel blades handle chopping, pureeing, and emulsifying with ease, and the oil dispenser on the lid makes it perfect for dressings and dips. I use it for up to 3 cups of ingredients, which is ideal for everyday meals without taking up counter space. Cleanup is a breeze since the bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. Whether I'm whipping up hummus or prepping veggies for stir-fry, this little chopper delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to store, it's a reliable kitchen tool that gets the job done. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Electric Food Chopper. The Black Plus Decker chopper is perfect for quick, small-batch prep. Its compact design fits easily on my counter, and the 1.5-cup capacity is ideal for chopping herbs, fruits, veggies, and even chocolate. The bi-level stainless steel blades stay sharp and deliver consistent results every time. I especially appreciate the oil holes on the lid, which let me add oil while mixing hummus or dressings without making a mess. Powered by a 150W motor, it handles chopping and mincing with ease, and the one-touch pulse control makes operation simple and intuitive. Cleanup is fast. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, so I can go from prep to cleanup in minutes. Whether I'm making breadcrumbs or prepping salsa, this little chopper gets the job done without fuss. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to store, it's a handy tool for everyday kitchen tasks. Number 1. KitchenAid 3.5-cup Food Chopper. The KitchenAid Food Chopper is a compact, efficient tool that handles everyday prep with ease. Its 3.5-cup work bowl includes a locking blade, handle, and pour spout for mess-free serving. I use the drizzle basin to add liquids while blending sauces or dressings. Super convenient for recipes like hummus or vinaigrette. The multi-purpose stainless steel blade locks in place, making it easy to pour without spills. With 2 speeds and a pulse option, I get the texture I want, whether it's chunky salsa or smooth puree. The cord storage feature keeps my counter tidy, and its small footprint makes it easy to tuck away after use. Cleanup is simple. Everything's dishwasher safe, so I'm done in minutes. Lightweight yet powerful with a 240-watt motor, it's perfect for quick chopping, mixing, and blending tasks. This little chopper packs a punch and fits seamlessly into any kitchen routine. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.